Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Andrew, and I'm going to show you how to transfer your Replit app from your personal workspace into your team's workspace. So a lot of times we have people who, they're using Replit on their own, and then they get added to a team, and they want everyone to be able to use their apps that they've been developing on their own. The problem is these apps that you've been developing are in your core workspace, and you want to move those to your new team workspace. We have a way to do that. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to show you. So the first thing I would do anytime I have a question is go over to the Replit docs. We do a pretty good job of maintaining these, and you can find most of what you need. Now there's a lot here, and it's pretty overwhelming, but a really cool feature we have is this right here, the assistant. So you can click on this, and you can ask the assistant whatever you want. So if I click on it, I can ask a question. You can see here I've already asked, how do I transfer my app from my personal workspace to my team's workspace? And the assistant thought about it for a bit, and now it's telling me how to do it. Pretty awesome. So it's giving me a few requirements, and these are going to be true for most people. I wouldn't worry about these. If you run into an error, you probably have to talk to your admin, because your admin probably has set it so you cannot create Replit apps or so you cannot deploy Replit apps. That's if your admin's really security conscious, but most people, you're going to have all these settings, so we're not going to worry too much about it. The next part is our steps to transfer, and we're going to need our organization ID, and we're going to need the URL of the app that we want to move into our Teams account. And lastly, we're going to use the GUI to do this. Now, don't worry, I'm going to explain what all of this is. So first, you can see here, we kind of have 3 steps we need to do. My little secret is I get 3 tabs open. I get one tab that's going to be the app I want to transfer. So you can see here, I'm on my personal workspace. I have this app right here, and I really like it. It's really cool. And I want to transfer this over to my team. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my team's profile page, and to get there, let's say I'm on my home screen, I just click on Profile. See Manage Organization? I click on Profile. And this is where I'm going to get my organization ID. And lastly, I'm going to get the GUI open. And to get to the GUI, you just, let me go here. Let's say, you're on your home screen. I click on my name up here, and I go to GUI. So now I have my 3 tabs open. I'm ready to transfer this app. So if I go back to the docs, you're going to see here, I need my organization ID. That's right here. I need my app URL. That's right here. And I need the GUI. So I got everything. So what do? In the GUI, I'm going to type in org space transfer dash REPLs. So I'll come over here. Org space, and it'll even tell me transfer REPLs. Nice. Now you can see here I have 2 input fields. One is a space-separated list of app IDs. I just have the one. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to paste it in. Nice. Now 2, I need the organization ID. That's right here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in. And I'm all set. Submit. And you can see here, success. I've now transferred my app over to my team's workspace. Best practice, of course, is to check this out. So I'm going to go to my apps, and what do you know? It's here. And that's how you transfer an app from your personal workspace to your team's workspace.